Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to fix the leak for your water hose line. So normally there are two leaks, okay? Normally the leak is coming out from this closing and open handle right here. You will start from up here. Another leak, second leak is coming out from the where you connect to the hose line, okay? So first thing first, you need to turn out the main your valve, water valve, and make sure you run the water out first. So you close the water valve this way, okay? Side perpendicular to your main line. So that's a shut-off valve. See, the leak is coming out from here. So when you have a leak from the opening and close it right here by the handle, all you need to do is just tie the upper nuts right here. With the wrench. So you turn it clockwise, make it tighter. Now give it a wipe. I'm gonna close it. Now I'm gonna turn on the main water again. I'm gonna turn on the water for the hose line. So as you can see, there's no more leak coming out from here, okay? So in case you have a leak coming out from the hose line, the water hose line, you need to remove the nuts that's on the bottom. There's a top nut, and then there's another nut on the bottom one. You need to remove that, and normally there's a seal that you need to replace it if it's worn out, like mine. So I need to go get it from the Home Depot or Lowe's. I think it costs about couple dollars now. I think it used to be a couple cents. So anyway, hopefully that will fix your problem. Remove the second nut if you have water running from this hose, okay? Your water hose line, if it's dripping from the hose line right here, okay? If it's dripping, then you need to remove the bottom nuts, and then open that up, and then inspect your seal. If it's the rubber seal is bad, then you need to replace that seal, okay? So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.